Another common FAQ is, can I 3D print short run production components? Like, are components good enough to use as final product? And yes, the answer is yes. If you were to build more specifically with SLS and nylon, because they are so durable and functional, you can use them as final product. And it will save you some money in the long run, depending on the geometry of the component and what you're planning on doing with it. But because you don't have to create a mold, you don't have to commit to thousands of pieces that sit in a warehouse. Instead, you can just build what you need. So often we suggest just start with 10 to 20, test them, make sure it's okay, and then do another short run. Maybe you're doing 100 or 500 of them. And then if you have to make some changes later on in a couple of months down the road, then you can make a slight modification to your CAD file, and then we can run them from there. We can also just build as we go and do some drop shipments. Working with your schedule is a very easy thing for us to do as well. That's actually something we really excel at. So if you have any questions about short run production components, if your parts could be a candidate for this instead of tooling and molds that, as you know, can be really expensive and can take a lot of time, then let me know. Give me a call or shoot me off a message.